Oh, he's so mad. He's so mad. What the hell? What the man?
Oh, Chris is gonna get mad. We're starting it without him.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
All right, day two of us working on this hunk of junk.
Yeah.
Mr. Asian Man here did me a favor and went and stopped by Summit while I was at work and bought all this stuff I needed. We got some little baby mufflers.
I don't know what this is gonna do.
Probably nothing.
You know, I mean,
I mainly got it because it's a turn down, and right now the way the headers are,
they're dumping straight underneath.
They're like, not a great idea.
What are you talking about? I am kind of curious though what this is gonna sound. Just like
they're both pointing in like towards the transmission, and we got like our fuel lines going right here. So I mean it's pretty close. So I'd just like to bring it back a little bit. That's my main thing.
Dude, hold on. We have an idea.
Oh no.
Just put this through the fender like this, like.
Oh my god.
You know how cool it would look?
Essentially like this.
Yeah.
Or like even better bowls.
Oh my god.
You've been playing. No one.
Anyways, we got 2 of those for each one of the headers. We got
I got your header
3-inch
right here.
V-band kit deal.
I
Oh
got
my
your
god.
header mufflers right here. I have STDs, that's why they're smoking.
Oh my god. What else do we get? Oh, the switch panel.
Oh yeah, so I'm gonna redo the wiring today.
Yeah. We had
hideous wiring job.
we were using this for the fuel pumps, and like you'd have to like hold it down to keep it on because it would just like,
oh wait, it's not plugged in. Boomer.
just the ground isn't.
Shock yourself.
Oh, shot myself.
So now I just tested it. Switch panel should work. So
yeah, got us a little Summit brand.
So I'll get both fans hooked up.
We got the
fuel pump and then
momentary switch for the starter. Because right now we have this for the starter. And then we have fans, but we'll switch this over to here. We'll have both fans.
So my plan is to
MSD
have,
box.
My plan is to have. That's one hooked up. Put your hand in front of it and feel how much air it pulls. Gnarly. So my plan is fuel pump, MSD, fan. So.
And then got the little starter bump. I think that's all we need.
Yeah.
I mean, it would be nice to have
I wish it wasn't.
lights,
I'm gonna
but
make it black.
I mean, you can make it black. You can just take all the switches out.
Yeah.
so we're about to go to a fab shop in town. We found it's gonna weld the V-bands onto this, and then we can put it in and then see how it sounds. And we will be back in like half a second.
Yeah, soon. Like right now.
Like right now.
They're getting low. Oh. Shut the fuck up.
Oh, shot yourself. And 2 seconds later, we got that.
Yeah.
And we got that. Big Mamma Jamma Mike over here doing all the wiring.
I'm having a stroke.
Psh. You're so mad we started without you.
No, I just didn't know. I was waiting for like 10 minutes.
No, like we already filmed an intro already.
Yeah, we filmed like 30 minutes worth of stuff without you.
Oh, I don't care.
We made fun of you the whole time too.
I'm sure we did.
Alright, so we have these.
Wouldn't surprise me.
Yeah, that looks so cool.
Cost a solid $40 to have both of these welded. Extremely expensive. Hey!
Travis. Hey, Travis. We need to get the...
Dennis. Alright. We're gonna get this put on. Shut up. Shut up.
Can you actually shut the fuck up?
Yeah. Oh, why don't you make me?
Why don't you actually do something productive in your life?
Oh.
Damn. That's kind of harsh.
Alright, cut the cameras. Cut the cameras.
Turbo, no. Turbo down.
Psh. He don't care. Alright, we're gonna put these on. Mike's being a wiring god over here, acting like he knows which wire goes to what. Psh.
I don't. I'm just gonna light it up on fire.
Sounds about right. All right. I'll show. Hopefully these things fit. Also, we didn't double check, but it'll work. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay, would you like to give an update?
One muffler didn't work. Suspension just now got fixed. Took a while. You know how it is. Streetcar thing.
Yeah, there's some really, really bad craftsmanship in this today. Switch panel.
Yeah, Nissan did that.
I would have done better.
Nissan did that. It was like that from the factory.
We don't even have calipers on.
Oh, yeah, we don't.
It's not like they're not gonna, like it's gonna be a difference. I said the calipers aren't even on. He goes, oh my God. I'm like, dude, it's not gonna make a difference. We don't have brakes.
Yeah, I made sure not to put them back on.
So,
Are the lines out the way then?
there's no lines on.
Oh, yeah, there's no lines.
There just aren't lines plumbed yet. All right, so, well, we're about to give it the college try. So we'll get a video of that.
All right, really quick. We had to adjust everything because there was no way this thing would turn or drive. It was so low. We got the best wiring setup that we could possibly ask for. Switch panels in the engine bay with a zip tie holding it in. The ignition goes right there. Finally gonna move under its own power. Brakes, by the way, it's got no brakes. Fuck it. We can't pick up anything, there's no light. Yeah, something's good far away though. It sounds fucking nasty.
It's got that cam chirp, which is cool.
Yeah. I mean, not chirpy enough though. And there is no fucking light out here.
Oh, the four fenders.
Oof.
I made it not have enough fuel in it.
And it was probably because it's on a slope too.
Tires got chewed up.
I mean, there's not a whole lot of
Pretty
fuel
fucking bad. Just this tire though. Only one tire.
I don't think it got that hot. Was your dad mad?
Huh?
Was your dad mad?
No, I think he just asked if we were running.
Fuck yeah, you were.
You were able to steer quite a bit though. I mean,
Yeah.
Well, how did it feel?
Like a death trap.
It looked sketchy as hell.
Yeah.
Are you happy? Is it good? Is it fast? How fast is it?
So fast.
Yeah.
Good gap everywhere.
I never
You hit a
turned
good
the
lick
fan
out there?
off. I
Hit a good lick out there?
It always left off that. Up your.
Oh, we threw it away. We didn't need it anymore.
I was gonna say, probably should have dated like that. No, there's no reason to. You never got over 1,000 probably.
Never 1,000 horsepower?
Oh, it's over
Yeah,
1,000 horsepower, buddy.
we just made a 490 hitch straight off the trailer. I think we can put some more time into it.
It's about 100, 97 miles an hour in the 8.
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
That's gonna be miserable.
What?
Sitting in there, no
I think I
AC.
feel in a GTO. Or in my truck. The truck fucking the AC works half the time.
I'm gonna go grab a water.
Yeah, you go do that, big boy. Yeah, you deserve it. You deserve that water.
You know what? All I gotta say is I'm impressed that this piece of crap actually works.
Piece of crap. How you think mine's gonna work?
Well,
way more
hold
time
on,
and money.
Hold on.
Way more time and money has been put into this than mine.
But your dad has helped you on that, on quite a bit. So I would expect it to run.
I don't know.
A lot of this has been me and Jacob. And
Have
Chris.
y'all